very sad to leave the shore, but it'll be so good to be home again.
Mommy, I see a happy face.
I know. Sky fell asleep. Ketchup all over her face from her French fries. Pepper. Looking good. Oh, my basil's going to seed. Pluck off your basil seeds. There's some little strawberries in here too. Feels really good to be home. Don't really feel like unpacking. Maybe I'll just bring in the stuff I have to. And I don't know, take a couple minutes to just chill. Sky fell asleep in the car, so I'm gonna just let her rest while I unload everything. Who's the first boy I see? Toby! My boy! There's my boy! I miss you so much! Toby! Come here. Come here. Alright, let me get the rest of the stuff. Morning. I was just in the basement because I blew a fuse, trying to make coffee and toast at the same time. We are home from the shore. This is our first full day back home, so I usually like to save days like today just for like various routines to like settle back in. So today we'll be going grocery shopping or picking up a grocery order just to like restock the stuff that we need. Doing a little unpacking, like a little unpacking. I am one of those people that has their suitcase in their room for like 2 weeks. I'm trying not to be that person. So I'm gonna try to tackle the unpacking a little bit today and just cleaning up. And I'll take Sky over to the playground so she can have a good kid time and it's not just all like boring errands and cleaning for her today. day?
It was good. Just, honestly, just relax. Didn't do much.
That's so good.
I was here honestly until 5:30, and then I just went home and just relaxed.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, thanks for getting the door.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you did it. Please don't block me.
I just have one more thing and then I'll be right
Hey,
back.
what's this?
Butter. Let's go get Toby. Okay. Yeah. It's Wednesday and I just finished unpacking all of it. Had a really nice slow morning. Sky's at my mother-in-law's today. It's our usual Wednesday thing. I use that time to just like catch up on emails and do a little editing and a little bit of work, stuff like that. Had some coffee, had some breakfast, took a shower. Yeah, I took a nice long shower, which was good. I hope that you enjoyed watching some of our coming home routines. I once heard that the best part of traveling is coming home. And sometimes it feels that way, you know? It's like an opportunity to really just like come back into your center and explore what makes you feel really like grounded and safe. And that's kind of what we've been doing, just like catching back up and making sure that we have all the things that we need to like float through our daily life and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you liked this one. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Now I'm going to strain out that bone broth, pack it up and bring it over to Kristen's, and I'm gonna meet her new little baby. She just had a little girl last week and I am so excited to see her. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.